Hey everybody, we are back today at Marley's Brewery and Grill in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania. Marley's with that beautiful dog on the menu. She's so cute. I kind of wish she was there at the brewery. That would have been pretty cool. Now, a few side notes as you're looking over this very extensive menu with tons of options. This was the last day, as we were told, for this current menu. So if you were to go after seeing this video, you may not see some of the stuff you see here, or you may see things slightly changed. It is still worth going. Definitely go to see what's there and what's not there. Everything we got so far on this menu has been fantastic. Again, we have a brick oven with pizzas as well. I'm pretty sure they're not going to go anywhere. So it may be just subtle changes, maybe just changing with the times, but just something to note. There's that brick oven, so cute. And also, the beers that they have right now that are from their brewery. We tried the Festivus Winter Ale. It was pretty good. I had a sip. I liked it a lot. On top of, we got these french fries with brisket on top. The fries were like scoops. Oh my goodness, they were my favorite. We got a chipotle and corn dip with homemade pretzels. Those pretzels were out of this world. I got a buffalo grilled cheese salad. Yeah, buffalo chicken salad. I got a pulled chicken sandwich with homemade chips. It was all delicious. It was all gone before we knew it, and I could not help myself. I ate that entire salad, but kept eating Stan's chips with the homemade ranch dressing. So good. So all in all, it was good here. Marley's, I would come back again and again and again. It was pretty great. Food was great. Stan got 2 beers. He tried the Winter Festivus, and he did try a peanut butter. I want to say pineapple. It's not. A peanut butter beer, and they were both good. I had a sip of both just to see. I like them. So beer's good. Food's good. Breweries are killing it with their beers and their food lately. But this is one to try. Marley's in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania. Yeah, definitely try this out. I would say those brisket fries were the winner, but we were talking to our waitress right before we left, and they are changing their menu. So if you can follow them on social media, give them likes on Facebook, and they have an Instagram as well, and that will keep you updated on their menu changes, what they will and won't have. They have specials all the time. That chorizo was a special, and it was very good. So yeah, do that. And then give this video a thumbs up and comment below what you thought of the food here at Marley's. And then subscribe so you can see where else we decide to go. And until we eat again, stay geeky.